What's up guys, my name is Rassul Karymsakov and I'm a Seattle-based cardist and a finalist of 2020's Cardistry Discord Championship. And today I'm going to be teaching my move Compactor. Compactor is a 4-packet cut that results into a compacting closer where it extends out and then collapses onto itself into one flush deck of cards. So I came up with Compactor in March of 2020 where I was experimenting with 4-packet openers on my 3-packet cut Urswag, which by the way if you guys want to check out, link in the description. So I was experimenting and then I came up with many closers for it, but then this closer stuck out to me because it's a closer that has a familiar action to it, and I really liked it. And I just had it in the back of my mind and just kept playing around with it. I first featured this move in my video Explore. If you guys want to check out, also link in the description. Anyway, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Before we get into that, I would like to thank Jaspas for allowing me to teach this move on the School of Cardistry channel. So, let's get started. So, grab your Jaspas decks, and let's get right into it. Okay, to begin learning this move, I'm going to need a deck of cards. So here we go. Alrighty. So, to start this flourish, what you're going to need to do is do the Sybil opener, C-grip with the extra packet. It's pretty standard in all flourishes. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your index finger and you're going to switch it for your thumb in this hand, just like that. After you do that, you're going to let go of your middle finger on this top packet, so it's going to be held between your ring finger and thumb. And you're going to use your middle finger, place it at the top of this face here, and you're going to slide it away from your thumb along the packet that's in between the two thumbs onto the base packet until it hits your middle and ring finger of the left hand. After you do that, you're going to push it with your ring finger and have it face up and perpendicular to the base packet. Next, after you do that, you're going to bring your thumb to the face up packet, to the long end of the face up packet right here. After you do that, you're going to regrip this packet by putting your index finger on the long end and your pinky on the other, and you're going to straddle this packet and you're going to adjust it, regrip it so that the corner with no end to see is on the thumb, and you're going to move your middle finger on the opposing corner, and you're going to let go of your fingers. Now two things are going to happen at once. With the right hand, you're going to spin this 180 degrees. And as you do that, you're going to perform a scissor cut with this packet contacting the thumb. So the thumb goes here. So without this packet, it would look like this. But with the packet, it will look like that. So your index finger is still separating these two packets. And as you do that, you're going to do corner grip. So simultaneously, it should look like this, like that. So after you do that, you should be in this position. And what you're going to do next is two things at once. One, you're going to move your thumb onto the face of, in my case, the 2 clubs packet. And you're going to slide the long end of this of the 4 of hearts packet, in my case, along the face of this packet. So it'll look like that. So here. As you do that, what you're going to do in the left hand is you're going to use your index finger and thumb to pinch the 7 of clubs packet, in my case, back up into a chaleur position. So again, so here you're opening the middle 2 packets. As you do that, you're going to slide this hand up and you're going to pick up this back packet in a chaleur position. And now this is the display. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to use your index finger of the right hand to close this packet, and you're going to use your thumb to close this packet. And then you just bring your hand over and close the final 2 packets. So one more time in a small overview. Sybil opener, switch to the thumb, use your middle finger to slide this packet against the other two, and flop it over. Bring your thumb here, regrip to corner grip, scissor cut in 180 degree spin, open up, extend display, close this packet and this packet, close it all together. And that's Compactor. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video. If you guys are going to perform this move on Instagram, be sure to tag me. Also, again, I want to thank Jaspas for allowing me to teach this move on his channel. This is a great opportunity, and I'm glad to be here for it. So, thanks again for watching.